Hello YouTube, so today I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades on a G-Wagon 1990. Yeah, so to remove it, you're going to pinch this in and pull this down at the same time, so pinch in and pull down. Now these are the original ones, which I actually prefer because they got the logo on, and here are the new ones. I ordered these off AutoDoc, and yeah, it's not too bad of a app. Essentially you put your car details in and then you will you'll be able to just search up any parts, and it'll just be for that vehicle. So first of all, you need to remove this part from the wiper. The original one, obviously I've done it, and literally you just push it out. Next bit you need to do is take out this part, this plastic part in here. Literally just pushes out. Then you get this part and push it over this bit here, and it should click into place. Obviously it's quite hard because I'm using one hand. There you go, that's all clicked into place now. Go to the car. As you can see, that bit, and it just literally goes in. Let's see if I can get a decent angle on it. Essentially what you have to do is squeeze these bits so it fits inside this gap here. Yeah, as you can see, it's secured in place. You just take this off now. Got a new wiper blade. Now I will probably get some original ones again, so I've got the logo, but for the time being these only cost me £3 off the that AutoDoc website, so they'll do for now. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. As you can see, the new ones are there. It doesn't look as good without the Merc logo, but yeah, please like and subscribe for more car videos. I will be doing a review on the G-Wagon and buyer's guide if you do have a fancy one. But yeah, thank you and stay tuned.